Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to delete a Google Calendar. First open your browser, then search for calendar.google.com. After coming this type of interface, you will find your calendars under My Calendars. Now, hover over your calendar that you want to delete. After hovering over your calendar, you will find three dot icon option for demo calendar. Click on it and go to setting and sharing. Now scroll down bottom of this page. Here you will find delete option. Click on delete for deleting your calendar and click on permanently delete. Your calendar was deleted. This is how you can delete your Google Calendar. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.